The Sanyo Denki Group is implementing a variety of initiatives to produce uniform, high-quality products. Automating manufacturing is a key theme of the 8th Midterm Management Plan, which started in 2016. A key component of this theme is manufacturing innovation of servo systems. At Kanagawa Works, the main site for our servo motor production, we have automated the processing of metal motor components, as well as the machining, washing, and inspection of the die-cast and frame sections. We have commissioned a new 50-meter servo motor assembly line to automate all processes from winding to final inspection. First, let's look at the stator winding process. Using cutting-edge laser technology, insulation film is stripped from the magnet wire, which then undergoes automated optical inspection. After the wires are bent in a predetermined direction, the coils are arranged in a ring around the stator. The ends of the assembled coils are fitted and soldered to a printed wiring board. Then optical inspection is performed to ensure quality. Then, the assembled stator is encased with resin. Next, the frame is heated to expand the diameter, allowing the stator to be inserted. Here, the flange is also fitted. Magnetic material is attached to the rotor, then electrically magnetized before being inserted into the stator. Then, finishing touches are made to the mounting surface of the motor, and dimensional accuracy is checked with a 3D coordinate measuring machine. During final inspection, the performance of the entire motor is tested to complete the assembly process. At Fujiyama Works, an automated assembly line for servo amplifier printed circuit boards has begun full-scale operation. First, on the SMT line, components are mounted on printed circuit boards. Then irregular components are inserted by 12 articulated robots. The components are inserted in the ideal order to ensure that boards are sent to the next process in the best condition. Next, on to soldering. Our unique method of automation has made it possible to solder with even greater precision. Then, an optical inspection system performs solder inspection. Within an in-circuit tester, the board is energized to test functionality, then moves on to waterproof processing. And finally, the printed circuit board is sent to the amplifier assembly process. We will continue to innovate our manufacturing process and design production lines that create value for customers. We at the Sanyo Denki Group aim to be a top brand in the world and offer world-leading products.